Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 12 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down and tap on more security and privacy settings. And here we have to localize this option, installation sources. So let's tap on it. And here we will have the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. And of course we can change it, just tap on the switcher and tap on allowed. And from now on, the Chrome is allowed to install some content. And of course, be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility. You had this information right here. Basically, third-party apps aren't verified by the developer. So you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can also remove previously granted permissions just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.